Hiyas ng Purok 5.
Because of my unique qualities, strengths, and my accomplishment. My perseverance, resilience, and determination in overcoming obstacles make me a deserving for the crown, and I thank you.
Thank you very much. Hiyas ng Purok 5. Now let's move on to Hiyas ng Purok 7.
I deserve a crown because I overcome a lot of experiences and challenges in this journey, and I put a lot of hard work, dedication, efforts to win this crown, and I do believe that I am capable and passionate because my capability inspires trust and respect for others. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Hiyas ng Purok 7. We have Hiyas ng Purok 1. Hillside.
Is an honor, and joining this prestigious pageant is an honor and privilege, and to be recognized as Hiyas ng Hayangabon 2024 is not a title, it's all about the responsibility. Every candidate is deserved to be the crown of Hiyas ng Hayangabon 2024. But what makes me unique is because of my unwavering determination, accomplishment, and positive influence I have on others. My dedication, hard work, and ability are enough to inspire and make me a deserving candidate. My leadership skills and the impact on those around me set me apart, making me a true role model. I am committed, shining brightly, and creating a profound impact in the lives of those I touch, leaving a legacy that inspires generations to come. Through my advocacy, which is empowerment, elevation, advocating for unwavering confidence, I will going to strive to be a role model of our community, especially into our youth. Thank you.
Shining Shillings blended. Thank you very much. Purok 1 Hillside now. Let's move on to Hiyas ng Purok 2.
One of the reasons that I think I deserve a crown because of the hard work that I put in, and whatever I do to the best of my capability, and because of my relentless pursuit of excellence and my commitment to serving others, my unwavering dedication to making a positive impact for each and everyone. Thank you.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, Hiyas ng Purok 2. And now for sure not least, Hiyas ng Purok 8.
I deserve the crown tonight because I represent strength, compassion, and dedication. My commitment to positive change and community empowerment embodies inspiring others to strive for excellence. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Hiyas ng Purok 8.